Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my plan with me for the week of my birthday. So I found this authentic paper pad, or paper pack I should say. It's called Party. I found this at Tuesday morning. I've had this for a while and I think it's really cute. I'm a very big fan of authentic paper. I've done a couple of different layouts using this paper, but it's really cute. It's just got like different pages. I'm not exactly sure which one I'm going to use yet, but I'll take a look at that in a second. Here's the cute little sticker page that went with it. So I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to do, and then we'll go ahead and start the plan with me.
So I had some fun with this one because I decided that there were so many different pages that I wanted to use that I would just cut up different strips of those pages in the layout. So I used quite a bit of paper in this layout. The first thing that I wanted to do was cut out this cute little corner piece. And then I do include that in the corner. So you'll see here, I'm just going to fussy cut that out real quick. I don't show you the whole part because I was actually off camera because I was like trying to make sure that it was cut pretty close to the edge of the image. But I thought that was really cute with the little girl holding the cake and then the little doggy with the party hat on, and they had like a bunch of little like party invitations and stuff around it. So I went ahead and cut that out, and then I'm going to put that in there in the corner. And then you'll see that I pretty much just cut up a bunch of different pages from the paper pack. The first one I'm going to cut out is a little bit of this paper that had the music sheet on it. I was kind of thinking about trying to use that little banner piece there as well, but it ultimately didn't end up working. It was just taking up too much space on the planner. So I'm just going to cut it out a couple pieces of that music paper. I did want to have just some neutral pages because I knew I was going to cut out a bunch of different of the image papers. So I wanted to have at least two that were kind of neutral, and so kind of to break up all the pattern. And I really liked that page with all the ice cream and cake and stuff. That was really cute. So I ended up putting that one on my actual birthday, which is Friday. Um, So once I got all the pieces cut out, I did want to go ahead and ink all of the edges up just to kind of have them kind of distinguished from each other a little bit, kind of give them an outline. So when I put them close together, they have like a distinguished a line, if that makes any sense. Okay, and then I did want to do something with the numbers. At the top, I did have an idea to make like a little banner with some of the stickers that are in the sticker pack that came with this collection. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a little scrap piece of label paper here that I had, and I'm going to cover up the numbers and then on both of those sides. And then I'm also going to, once I get that done, then I'm going to go ahead and lay down all of the stickers. So give me just 1 second and I'll get all that done. Trying to open these up. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and get everything glued down and kind of walk through the different choices that I made as we get them glued down. So that's that confetti paper there. And then I added one of the neutral pages and then put that balloon paper down, and then another neutral page, and then another one of those pages. And then I'm going to put some confetti paper on that side. And so I got all those glued down, and then I used my glue stick to glue down the image in the corner just because there was a lot of little integral little pieces. So wanted to make sure I got all of those little pieces. So I'm going to use the glue stick, and then I'm going to go ahead and get that glued down on the corner. I lined up the paper so that when I glued it, I could just cut that little piece that's going to go on to the other page, which you'll see here in a second. I'm going to line that up and then stuck that on there and then just cut the page in between. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put down some of these little banner stickers. So these came in the paper pack. And basically what I did was I kind of put a couple of them too close. So I will fix it here in a second. But then I'm going to take I'm going to take a pin and just write in the little strings in between. And then, so it makes it look like a little banner. And then as soon as that's done, it's gonna be sticker time. Okay, there's a lot going on this page, but I do like it. I think it's really fun. So I'm just going to write down a couple of things in the actual planner part because I don't really have a lot going on this week in terms of like Monday through Wednesday. I am going to do a dinner with a couple of friends and my mom on Friday. So that will be fun. And then I do have game night, my usual board game night on Thursday. And that's pretty much it. I am going to try to get a couple of things done. I'm actually recording this on Monday, so hopefully I can get it up. Well, it's already 7:30, so I'm not sure if I'll post it tonight or wait until tomorrow to get this posted. Had a fun weekend this weekend with my sister and my mom. They kind of did a celebration, birthday celebration because my sister couldn't come down next weekend, or this weekend, I should say. So we did one this last weekend, which was really fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write down a couple things I want to get done. I want to try to get a journal with me done tomorrow night, in my Cheaply Chic journal. So that's kind of the plan for tomorrow. And that's pretty much, I think, all I wrote on there for now. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my journal card. This fun piece of paper was in the paper pack, and I just thought this was just way too fun not to use. So I wanted to make sure that I got that little piece there with the, I can't really read it while I'm recording this, but I think it says like time to party or something like that. So I wanted to make sure I had that image in, so I just kind of cut around, and then I put it against I punched it out. And then to cut the other side off, I'm going to line it up with the paper just to see how big I can actually have it. And so then I'm just going to go ahead and cut down the line where that says party. I wanted to make sure that I kept that word party at the top because I thought that was fun. So I'm just going to trim a little bit off the side there. And then I kind of have a long, thin journal card. And then I'm going to go ahead and clip up the edges here. And then I thought it would be fun to add a little flower paper clip with the one of the stickers that are in the paper pack. Oh wait, no, first of all, I actually am going to do a little bit more to this journal card well, once I ink it all up on the side, I am going to write the word celebrate um, on the journal. But it was really hard because the stickers weren't quite fitting on there. So I kind of started like right there. I didn't really stick it down. I just kind of stuck it there, but that didn't work. So I had to rejigger and kind of move them up there, and then still kind of the E on the celebrate part sticks out just a tiny bit, but I think it'll be okay. I don't think it'll hurt it, but I had to kind of get them squished on there. But yeah, so I just wanted the word celebrate. Okay, now I'm going to take that sticker and I'm going to go ahead and put it on a paper clip. So just a really simple way to make a cute little paper clip. I just thought this flower was really cute, and I liked how it had the flowers on the journal card there on the kind of on the side over there. So I thought it could bring the floral kind of more up into the page. So I just took the sticker as a sticker, so I'm just going to stick it onto the back of this little construction paper here, and construction paper, scrapbook paper, and then just trim it around. And then I do believe I ink it up as well, if I'm not mistaken. We will find out when I trim this up. Yeah, so I do ink it up just a little bit, just to add a little something to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that in my planner now. That is all done. I think it turned out really cute. I'm happy with it. So it just kind of looks fun and festive and a lot going on, which, you know, I like. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again real soon for another one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a big like on thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.